think many of us are starting to get pruny from just how much rain we've seen over the past few days. And the good news is this rain is actually starting to taper off. We have just a couple showers left over. You can see coming out of Wheeling here and coming out of West Virginia, moving towards Greene County. This is where we have our leftover showers still trying to hang on. So Cameron, West Virginia, you're seeing those showers, but these are going to travel along 21 right towards Waynesburg. So a little rain there. We've had some around Uniontown. This is wrapped up, and generally drier conditions are taking over there. But keep in mind, especially south of Pittsburgh, there still might be an isolated shower left over like we see here, trying to finish up, and then I think we get to pretty much enjoy a dry day tomorrow. And when it comes to severe weather, this has been a very colorful map lately. Right now we have nothing on it, so no severe weather nearby at this time. We still have some impacts left over from that rain that we're going to be dealing with. So if you have high creeks and streams or soggy yards, that's one thing, but because of the rain and the moisture in the ground, we could actually see some fog trying to develop. We're not seeing anything too widespread, just slightly lower visibilities in Du Bois and Youngstown. But look out towards New Philadelphia. A half-a-mile visibility there. So as the temperatures come down, we're actually going to see some pockets of fog trying to develop, and they're going to be that patchy nature. So keep in mind, if you're doing any traveling early or late tonight or early tomorrow morning, you might run into a pocket or two of fog. 64 degrees is our current temperature. We've cleared out the skies. You can see that report at the airport. Still some clouds floating around up to the north. Temperatures generally close to 60 degrees there, and more the mid-60s from Pittsburgh and Point South. And a beautiful looking night finally as we look off the top of Gateway Center. Mostly clear skies at the airport. 64 degrees. Our wind's still coming out of the northwest at 12 miles per hour. That's going to keep the atmosphere mixed up for now. But once the temperatures drop off a little more and those winds ease up, that's where that fog will try to settle in. So Futurecast here shows us what we're dealing with as we head towards your Friday. We get some fog around early on, patchy in nature. That'll lift and we get sunshine. You will see those showers trying to come together, though, as we get into the heat of the day. Keep in mind, if one of these pops up, and the chance that one of these does is pretty small, but if one of these pops up, they should only last about 15 to 20 minutes, and you'll be back into business before you know it. Now, into Saturday, some clouds down to the south. Early on, we're looking fairly quiet, but getting into the afternoon and evening, this is where we start to see some showers and thunderstorms developing again, and these could carry over into Sunday. So Sunday comes with some showers, mainly early on, but you can see there's a couple floating around for the afternoon. But I don't think this weekend's going to be a washout in any way, shape, or form. We'll just have to maneuver around some of those showers, again, that are expected Saturday afternoon and early Sunday for the bulk of the rain. 58 degrees tonight. Showers are ending. Areas of fog trying to settle in. Tomorrow we get those highs in the upper 70s. A partly cloudy day, beautiful looking day, and just that tiny chance at a stray shower trying to develop. But you can see dry conditions and mild conditions as we get those highs in the mid to upper 70s. Now it stays pretty nice for the first half of Saturday. Getting into the afternoon and evening, that's where those showers and even some thunderstorms try to develop. Some of these are going to carry over into early Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, you are going to notice a big drop in temperatures. Highs on Monday are going to struggle to get into the upper 60s. Highs on Tuesday near 70, and then we start to warm it back up to the temperatures we've been enjoying lately, and we get back into a little more rain that we haven't been enjoying lately. Oh yeah, the weather app. I've been talking about the weather. I forgot about the app. Keep in mind that you can track the nice weather, the bad weather, all with the KDKA weather app. It has a radar, hour-by-hour forecast, alerts, and more. Just search CBS Pittsburgh in the App Store and Google Play.